Have you ever moved your character, but their head, weapon, or eyes got left behind? That's because they are not really ready yet. Today, we master the parenting, the secret to making each object move together as one. Let's clean up the hierarchy. Welcome back to Unity Daily. Our motto is simple, one concept at a time. Yesterday, we learned about the transform component. Today, we link those transforms together. Subscribe and let's get organized. If these daily tips are saving your time, consider supporting the mission through the link in the description. Your support keeps this series going. In Unity, any game object can hold another game object. This is called parenting. Currently, my character and his head are separate. If I move the character, the head stays. To fix this, I simply drag the head into the character in the hierarchy. Now, the character is parent and the head is child. Here is the golden rule. If the parent move, rotate or scale, the child follows automatically. It's like a passenger in a car. Where the car goes, the passenger goes. Watch the head's position in the inspector. Now, I move the character all the way across the map. Look at the head again. It's still. This is the part that confuses beginners. When an object is child, its numbers become local. Child is no longer asking, where am I in the world? It is asking, where am I related to my dad? The head is still above the character's center. So, the number does not change. This is incredibly powerful for scripting. Parenting is not just for characters. It is for keeping your sanity. If you have a 50 building in your scene, your hierarchy will look like a mess. Just create an empty object, name it buildings, resets its position to 000. Drag your all buildings into it. Now you can collapse the arrow to clean up your list or turn off the parent to hide the wall level at once. A critical warning regarding physics. If you scale a parent, your child will scale too. If I squeeze my character to look like a pancake, my head also gets squeezed into a pancake too. So, for the best practice, always try to keep your top level parent object at the scale of 111. If you need a small character, scale the model inside, not the parent container. That's day 7. You can now link the objects and organize your scene. Tomorrow, for day 8, we learn the ultimate time saver, prefab. This is how you turn your character into template. You can spawn thousands of times instantly. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check me buy me coffee in the link. I will see you tomorrow.